Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction,
where I'm your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. My co-host will be Vandessa of Vandessa J. And today's episode is entitled Spring Tablescape Collaboration 2025.
Now we have simple rules, and the rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol.
Rule number 2, decorate your table for spring. Number 3, use the title Spring Tablescape Collaboration 2025 Springtime.
Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channels.
Number 6, use the hashtag SpringTable2020 in your title and your description. Number 7, there will be a twist. You must include a flower in your tablescape. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your videos. And number 9, have fun. Enjoy yourself doing the collaboration. And the upload date will be March 6, 2025.
And the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.